So this is Oko Beach Club. It's we come here during the day. Obviously, we jump in the pool. We get food here. The restaurant's there. The beach is there. If you hire a sun lounger, you can do that there. DJ in the night plays there. I'll quickly show you around. You can see the sun will be going down. And this is the restaurant. So this is close to my hotel. My hotel's not too bad. You come here in the 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, football's on. There's other places, but I prefer watching it here. They play the drums, shisha, food, milkshakes, free charge port. And yeah, during the day, we're here.